G'day and welcome back to this week's real estate market update. I hope you're having a fantastic week. Lots to unpack this week in our news report. You can check it out, the full article at martinuzzi.com.au, and make sure you subscribe when you're there as well so you can stay up to date with all the latest news trends and information to help make your decision the best one in your next property move. This week, making headlines, the RBA's cash rate decision. So they've held it at 3.6%. Now, we sort of thought that would happen because we've seen such a buoyant market in the last couple of months. That first home guarantee scheme really influencing that property demand right now. There's a lot more buyers in the market. The market is running hot, and that's not just here on the Sunshine Coast. We're seeing that in Sydney, in Melbourne, in all the capitals across Australia, and Brisbane is certainly leading the way. Now, if you look at Melbourne's growth figures over the last 5 years, about 20% growth. That's property dwelling increases in 5 years. Now, South East Queensland is booming. For the same period of time, we've seen 70% growth in dwelling property prices. So huge numbers there, and it hasn't slowed down. And the key reason for that is the tight supply. Let's have a look at some of the stats here on the Sunshine Coast. We did a bit of research here in the office. Looking back to 2019, property numbers or property availability then was around 10,000 properties. Now that diminished during COVID to about half that, to 5,000. Then it slightly increased again towards mid-2023 when we started to see that cash rate go up, more properties coming to the market. But now it's fallen and it's down to about 3,000 properties available purchase on the Sunshine Coast. Now with the current demand, it would have been a lunatic move to drop that cash rate any further, because that would have just pumped more demand into an already hot market. And the markets are running hot across most parts of Australia, and particularly here on the Sunshine Coast. Buyers are struggling to find a property suitable to them, and when they do, there is often competition, which means only one buyer can buy, and a few buyers often miss out as well. So that's what we're seeing here on the coast at the moment. So all that is unpacked in this week's market update. So check it out again at martinuzzi.com.au. Make sure you reach out to myself or the team here if there's anything we can help you with, whether you're buying or selling. And give us a call. We'd love to help. Have a great week ahead. Cheers.